Hey folks, it's time for another one of those quick little concept videos. I want you to understand what an ion is, all right? So atoms start out with an equal number of protons and electrons. So they're balanced. You got the same number of positive charges as you do negative charges, and the atom is neutral. That's the way most atoms are. So atoms are usually neutral with no charge. But if an atom gets a charge, we're going to call it an ion. And this happens when you have a different number of protons than you do electrons. We never change the number of protons. That's not a thing. But the number of electrons can vary, especially that outer layer, that valence layer. You might get changes in there. And if that happens, then you'll pick up a charge. So if another way to say it would be, if the charges, if the numbers of protons and electrons are unbalanced, there's going to be a charge. If you're missing an electron, then you're going to have more positives, more protons than you do electrons. And that's going to give you a overall positive charge because you have more protons. And then we'll call it a cation. If you are an atom that picked up an electron, maybe like fluorine, chlorine, if you pick up an extra electron, you have more electrons than normal, more negative charges than normal. Your overall charge for that atom will be a negative, and we will call that particular ion an anion. Anions have negative charges. Anyway, remember, this happens because we vary the number of electrons. They can change. Protons don't change. All right.